Hi. So I was going through some old footage and I came across a really cool gem. My buddy Robin, aka the Coca-Cola Kid, spontaneously called me up and said, "Quick, let's go for a quick run while there's still daylight." This is 2, 3 years ago. And I said, "Sure, why not?" So I loaded up Max, headed out to Gill Road, met up with Robin. We got on the machines, got everything set, started to head out. And we were riding along, and I lost sight of Robin for a couple of minutes, and then all of a sudden I look up, and there's Robin, and his quad is kind of sagging, kind of funny. And then I look over to the right, and I see a wheel bouncing by. And I went, I think that's Robin's back tire. So I turn the quad around, go look, and sure enough, it's Robin's whole rim assembly, rim tire, everything just popped right off the machine. Anyway, so I load it up on my quad, drive it over to him, and I go, "Hey, missing something?" And we look at it. Turns out the studs in his axle, they all just came right off, like as if they were never tightened. But it's so weird to see the axle nuts and the studs gone. Usually, like the lug nuts will come off because we forgot to tighten them, everything. But no, everything just sheared right off. But that's Robin. He never does anything small. So anyway, just a short video just to recap kind of the adventure of the day. And here you go. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. The video is in a weird format. I think I tilted the camera or something, and I couldn't figure out how to fix it. So sorry. Enjoy. So we lost a wheel. That's Robin for you. Never does anything small. Nothing a piece of driftwood can't fix, but some straps. We jury rigged it so that it would lift the axle up. Well, here we go. Will it hold? I gotta love Robin. So it worked. It's pretty much acting like a ski, and we were a couple of kilometers out, so this had to go on for quite a while. After about a kilometer or two, the wood just gave way and we had to find another piece of driftwood. But as you can see, the axle is off the ground, and well, not so much anymore. But there's Robin leaning as far as he can to keep the pressure off it. And it did get us home, and he was able to put in some more studs and back to business. So there you go. They're off for repairs. I think he had to replace the brake disc as well. So, and then there's the hero, not Robin, but the piece of wood. Shorty but a goodie.